Hi, my name is Marcia Kish. I'm a blended learning expert. And since March, I have been doing virtual workshops with teachers all around the country and the world on how to set up their blended learning classrooms. My success is partly due to using the hover camera when I'm doing these virtual workshops. The hover camera allows me to showcase step by step what I need the teachers to see. Yes, I could put together a PowerPoint, but I have found that as I am doing my workshops, virtual workshops, the hover camera not only allows the teachers to visually see what is going on, but it slows me down. When I'm using a PowerPoint, I tend to just go right through it because I know exactly what to say and I know what is going to happen next. But when I'm using the hover camera, I'm then able to do what I call a reveal. I'm able to take off little post-it notes and show the teachers what it is that they're happening. In the videos that you're going to see today, you're going to see myself going through and using all different aspects. I'm going to be doing a reveal as well as writing right there on the screen for the teachers. Another thing that I love to use with my hover camera is I print out little icons and I use those icons to make it more visually appealing for the teachers. So I hope you like my experience of what it looks like behind the scenes as I'm doing my virtual workshops. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to walk you through an 8-week deployment plan for blended learning. So I'm going to go step by step. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to give you suggestions and ideas on how to make this work. First thing is, you're probably going to have some school meetings, right? You're probably going to have everybody getting together, getting to know everyone since you're in a new school. This may be something you're going to. Now, let's go to the next week. This is when the kids come in. Whatever week you go back, this is kind of my game plan on getting ready for that blended learning environment. The very first thing is we are going to do the first day of school. On the first day of school, you want to make sure that you take that time to get to know your students. You're going to go in, you're going to explain Schoology, you're going to talk about the new rules, what does that look like. Do your normal first day of school. Now, because we're a blended learning middle school, so proud of you guys, this is going to be an exciting year. We are going to go and we're going to start right away with deploying a phase 1 aspects of blended learning, meaning that we're going to do a mini lesson and we're going to do some independent practice. That mini lesson would look like this, where you are going to put together based on either from data, what is the TEK that I need to do today. Then I'm going to go and break them up into small group 1. Group A, group 1, is going to meet with the teacher, and that's going to be for about, let's give you 15 minutes for this one, just because we're going to have 2 groups this time. Then the students are going to move to independent practice. They're going to do independent practice for 15 minutes. Thank you for being here today. I hope that you got an inside view of what it looks like behind the scenes while presenting to over 100 educators and how I can use the hover camera to enhance the learning for everyone. Again, my name is Marcia Kish. If you'd like to learn more about blended learning or how I use the hover camera, please feel free to contact me.